Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and today we are going to learning how to get a QA job without experience. Yes, it's really interesting. Without having an experience, how to get an experience like a job as a fresher. Yes, you may try. So let's see. This query resolution and solution I'm trying to getting using ChatGPT. So we will discuss about ChatGPT, what it is sharing his views, the universal standards we are getting using ChatGPT Open AI tool. So before initiating this lecture, if you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us. And here I'm asking how to get a QA job without an experience. Let's see what ChatGPT is suggesting for us. We will check it. See, getting QA job without experience can be challenging. Yes, it's really true. Why challenging? See, it's like having a knowledge how you will enter inside the job environment. You may find out. So let's check. Like ChatGPT is also supporting a few things. Here are some steps you can take to increase your chances. What the chances? Without experience, most of the software industry experts and professionals, they are trying to entering into the software industry, but without prior experience, how it is possible? So we will discuss. This is a very important question for many of the persons who are not inside in campus. So who are not recruited campus placements, those are all comes under out and how they will enter. Interesting. Let's check one by one how it is possible. Learn the basics QA, start learning of the fundamentals of QA. What is QA and how to start learning and how to, like, you need to find a plenty of opportunities how it is there and where you have to learn the things. Such things like online resources, books, courses. Yes, you have having ample of opportunities to learn in online using YouTube, blogs. These all are. Next point, get certified. Many employees prefer candidates without certification, like is typical. You are not having an experience, then if you are having a certification in QA, considered to, yes, certified people, like they are maybe popular in QA tools or methodology like ISTQB and CSTE. Yes, these two are either one. If you are certified, definitely you will be seen to you, yes, you are having some capabilities. Next one, work on personal projects. So it's a simple thing. What you are learn in QA, and you need to implement your own way to improve the testing methodologies and testing cases. You need to. So you need to project these project into GitHub and making a LinkedIn profile. Demonstrate in your way the skill you are master and you will be continue with this profession. So network with the professionals. Attend QA conferences, events, webinars, like QA professionals, teams, social media networks. You just try to add there and attend and their discussions. So having this professional network, you may be known where the opportunities are there, what type of technology is going in a trending way. This all will be enabled by yourself. Applying internships. If you are having a chance, yes, why don't you apply as an internship or entry level positions? This will help you gain real world practical experience on your project, which will strongly you can make it your build your resume. Customize your resume and cover letter. Tailor your resume and cover letter to specific job requirements. How the requirement is there inside, accordingly you need to prepare your resume, and which should be like a highlight, and you maybe tell that yes, you are in the master in that. Yes, and you may put like a commonly analytical thinking and problem solving and identifying bug is a specialist. You are how you are, then you are inside the QA. And be persistent. Keep applying QA jobs. If you are failed at interview 1 or 2 or 10 or 100, don't hesitate. Keep on apply. Even your faces rejection, keep learning, improve what you are facing in a challenges, and expanding your network with the professionals. Dedication, yes, definitely you will be like a land your dream of job in QA. This will take some time of journey. Yes, it won't come in a single day. You need to habituate that yes, it is a journey you are started, and your goal to be reached like a dream job, until unless you need not to leave a path. Yes, definitely one fine day you will celebrate yourself with your great what you are expecting of a letter. I wish you good luck. If you feel comfortable and having a few words in this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us. Thank you.